clam bake day.
Yeah. It'll be good.
A lot of seafood over in those coolers. There's the pit. There's the stump. Kind of an overcast day, but otherwise not bad. There's a nice kitty. He's a nice kitty.
Yeah, even if I can't find three.
So is he.
Pardon me?
Get him. Get him. Bring him here.
It's stuck?
Bring him here. Bring him here.
She can't get it.
Bring him here. Here, we'll get him. Where is he?
Oh, he's right there.
Let me see.
Oh, he like cracked its wing. His head's right there.
Get him out of there.
I don't want to go into it. I'm afraid he'll peck me.
Right.
Come on, let me get it.
He's stuck.
Is he?
Look over here, Sway. Get a good shot.
Oh, get it out of there. Oh, it's foot. Oh, don't kill it.
I thought maybe that would get him going.
No, he's stuck.
He's stupid. I might have to dive him for a while.
His foot's like... Oh, just...
Get him out of there, Snort. Get him out.
Oh.
Get him out.
Hurt.
Get him out. Get that chicken.
I can get it out, but...
Get him out. Oh, you wouldn't believe this, Mike.
He's stuck. Come on, chicken, chicken, chicken.
Get him. Get him.
Oh, Snodge.
Okay. That's enough film on that.
Yeah. You're gonna go after me.
Bring him here.
Tell by looking in his eye.
That's right.
Sorry.
There you go.
There we go, that's better. Where's he at?
Get up on top of the Pepsi can. He's up there.
Norman will jump up there.
You will have to get him.
Why is the light on?
You don't have to.
It's not dark enough. Norman will jump up on the table and get it. If Like,
You will have to get him.
it's not.
Look, he's gonna jump on me. Get him.
Well, don't stand in the way of it, then it won't jump on you. I wouldn't be standing there.
I'm gonna jump back right away.
No. Don't even jump on me, you stupid chicken. Chickens will peck at your eyes.
Yeah. Well, where?
So will like ravens. They do that to cows. Why did you quit?
He. Did you get that one?
Yeah. Oh, you gotta get them onions and stuff out of it. Yeah, get that food out of there. Nice, come on. Oh my god.
Don't zoom in.
Mad. Whoa.
Foil wrap bird.
Marvin, look at him. He's like,
Get him! Get him!
It pecked at my leg.
Whoa!
Getting mad. Did you get that?
Get him!